at the land again today. Much nicer day than yesterday's. You can see the blue sky, nice cool breeze, so it's about 27 degrees today, so beautiful day. Okay, so before I put the camera on, what I did was I've got some fence panels, so I knocked every other one of the palings off on the fence panel. I'll show you from the other side. So every other one was knocked off, so I've now got sort of good airflow. I do still have to knock all the nails back in and screw it in place properly, but basically that's the idea. That this is sort of screwed in nice and tight. As you see, it does end up with a bit of a bow because of the offset, but that's fine. Sort of screwed that in, screwed the bottom piece in quite tight and fixed that in place. I've just got Nathan up the hill. He's fixing me up another couple of these fence panels. So we'll get those fence panels in there. Whilst he's doing that, I've brought one more piece of steel today. So this piece here, and that I'll cut that to length and position it in here. I'll do that now while Nathan carries on doing what he's doing. And then hopefully by the end of today we can have all the back wall in place, all fully screwed up and fixed in position. Not too sure what I'm doing with the sides yet. Hopefully I can do the same thing, use some of the fence panels because I've got them. I may as well utilise them. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, here's that final piece welded in place. So that's this one. So that's all the welding that I can get to is now done. The only welding that I still need to do is the welding where I've got to be up above to reach down into it. So that's welds such as the one in here. That's welds such as in here and on this side. Okay, so I've got the 3 fence panels in place now. Nathan's just preparing the 4th one and the side one. So I'm just round the back here working off the ladder, putting in the screws and screwing the fence panel to the actual steel work. Well, let's do a few more. Okay, so that's those 2 panels. Top and middle are all secured now. So the bottom's going to be done. I'm going to actually get some little brackets for here, just to secure the base. only have a couple, but the rest of it is now nice and solid. So I'll go back up now and see Nathan, see how he's going. No doubt he's got this final end piece, sorry, final back piece and the end piece all ready for me, and we'll bring those down and fit those as well. Certainly coming along. Really pleased with the way this is coming now. So we've just got the final piece going in now. Lift it into position. Onto the wood again. We need to shuffle to my left there. Ready, we'll lift it up and rest it on the steel. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And get some clamps on. There's not a lot to do about that, that's pretty much straight up and down. And we're going to call that a wrap for today. All the panels in place, and 3/4 of them all screwed in place and nice and secure. The other ones are just held with clamps now, and I'll go back and I'll come back another day, I should say, and put the rest of the screws in. But this is starting to look good. I'm really happy with it. Obviously so the next job will be come back, finish off the screws, do the welding where I need access from above, and then after that measure up for some roof panels and the floor. But I'm hoping roof panels shouldn't take more than half a day to put in place. It's all pretty straight cuts and pretty standard sizes, but the flooring might take a little bit of work. Right, tune in next time.